Hello, everyone, and welcome to Storm Pulse Global. Today is Sunday, July 26, 2026, and here is your latest weather update for Hong Kong and the surrounding Guangdong coastal region. Severe thunderstorms continue to impact parts of Hong Kong and nearby coastal areas this afternoon. Intense storm clouds remain active across the region, producing heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and periods of strong wind. Weather conditions continue to change rapidly, and residents should remain alert throughout the day. The heaviest thunderstorm activity is currently concentrated across the coastal region near Hong Kong, Yangjiang, Zhuhai, Macau, and surrounding parts of Guangdong. Some of these storms are capable of producing torrential rainfall within a short period, creating a risk of localized flooding, poor visibility, and dangerous driving conditions. Lightning activity remains very active across the strongest storm cells. During severe thunderstorms, wind gusts can become powerful enough to affect high rise buildings, coastal roads, bridges, and ferry operations. If you are outdoors, move to a safe indoor location immediately whenever thunder is heard nearby. Over the next several hours, additional thunderstorm development remains possible as warm, humid air continues to fuel the atmosphere. This means new areas of heavy rain may develop quickly, even if conditions temporarily improve in some locations. Residents should continue monitoring official weather warnings as conditions evolve. Looking ahead, forecast guidance indicates that this active weather pattern is expected to continue affecting parts of southern China before gradually easing. However, scattered heavy showers and thunderstorms may still persist across Hong Kong and neighboring coastal districts. Because tropical weather can change quickly, the exact timing and intensity may vary. Across the wider western North Pacific and the South China Sea, conditions remain favorable for tropical weather development during this time of year. While that does not guarantee another major storm, it does mean that additional tropical disturbances are possible in the coming days. Storm Pulse Global will continue tracking every significant weather system and bring you the latest updates as soon as new information becomes available. If this update was helpful, please support Storm Pulse Global by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this weather report with your family and friends. Staying informed is one of the best ways to stay prepared. Thank you for watching Storm Pulse Global. Stay alert, stay informed, and stay safe. We'll see you in the next weather update.